Hey y'all, I am back with another video. Look at me being consistent. We're doing a refill on these nails, on my duck nails. If you want to see how I did those, I will link that video in the cards, but we're getting rid of them. First of all, let me check how long I went. That's probably the shortest amount of time that I've had a set on. Like, I rarely do refills, and that's kind of sad, but like I wear my nails until they're like falling off the bone. Like, I ride my sets till the wheels fall off, and at that point it's like too much work to do a refill. But let me see, so I did them on the 24th, so that means it's been 1, 2, oh, that was like 2 weeks. Interesting. Yeah, 2-week refill. So we're taking everything off, all of the bling, everything. Taking off full bling nails is work, okay? That's why nobody likes to do them. I'm saying nobody, isn't just me. That's why I don't like to do them, because they take so much time to take off and it kind of feels like a waste. But like, I literally have all the bling like in a box, and I'm gonna go through them and see which ones I could save. I don't be wasting stuff. Waste not, want not. That's my philosophy when it comes to stuff like that. So now we're filing everything off. There's like 4 layers of stuff on these gel nails with the chrome and stuff, so it's gonna take a minute. And I'm using my Game Changer bit from Hot Tips Beauty. I'm about to get a new one. I'm also gonna try their Tornado bit, and I'm gonna get some chromes from Hot Tips. I'm so excited about that. And my dust collector, my Mini dust collector. Y'all already know I love that dust collector so much. And yeah, I mean, I don't know, like, this is just is what it is. Oh, and I had a lot of lifting that I had to cut out, but I didn't show that because it's a very delicate process, and I have to be like, you know, facing the nails. It's very serious, so I was not able to show that. But I am gonna direct you guys to a Young Nails video where they show how to cut out lifting. And ever since I saw that video, that's pretty much all I do when I take out lifting. So yeah. And now we're prepping. I already pushed my cuticles back and everything. And I am using a cylinder bit, but I wouldn't recommend using a cylinder bit when you're doing a refill. Like, if your nails are still pretty built up and like you're not doing like a redesign, because the cylinder bits are supposed to be really flat to your nail. And with the acrylic, like, it's not able to stay completely like parallel to your nail, so I would not recommend using this kind of bit for a refill. I would probably use more of a flame if you're not doing like a complete redesign, you know what I mean? And then, you know, we're gonna skip the the buffing, skip that, whatever. And I'm going in with Vita Prime from Light Elegance. You should already know. Then we're doing 1 coat of tack, and that cures in the lamp. I've heard that you don't have to cure it too though, but I'm curing it just to be safe. I don't need no problems, okay? Because I already had lifting. And actually on my right hand, because this is my left hand, on my right hand I ended up doing rubber base, just to see what that does, because it's my right hand, it's my dominant hand. Usually has more lifting. So far though, my middle finger kind of looks like it's like lifting a little bit already. Like, I don't know what's going on, but it might just be because it's my dominant hand and stuff. So, you know, middle fingers, I feel like, get used a lot. They're very strong, very dexterous, you know. I've been talking for a long time. Sorry. I'm actually not sorry. It's 12:40 a.m. This is what I do. If you know me, this is just what I do. If you're gonna watch a Sculpted by Soraya video, you should already know you're gonna hear me talking the entire time in the video, and I'm not gonna take a breath, okay? That's just how my videos go. Now this refill is super simple. I'm not changing up any of the designs. We are just refilling and rebalancing, okay? Refilling some glitter where we missed out, okay? I was so happy doing this one because it's just like so little work. Like, I literally probably haven't done a refill on myself since 2019. I'm not even joking. Maybe 2020, but I literally just don't do that because I ride into the wheels fall off and it's like, okay, soak it off. Like, I just don't do that. But I'm now, 2022 is the year of refills for me, so I'm trying, okay? And it's just like makes so much sense to do a refill, like come on. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. We're skipping e-filing. We don't need to see that, like y'all already know what this is. But I'm gonna include hand filing because you know it's hand filing. The rest of this video though, like after this, is all the design. So yay, fun. You only have to sit through a little bit. Oh, that was my bone cracking. You only have to sit through a little bit of the boring stuff. But I don't think this is boring stuff. This is very vital. Without this step, we would not be able to get to the design, right? Right. Okay, I gave you like a 5-second breather so you could stop hearing me, but now you're hearing me again. We're back. So now we're getting into the design. Of course, I'm using the white freehand gel from Bubblegum Claws. It's so good, so pigmented. I have never painted Frenchies. Like, this is not something I do. But we're doing it. This is the Hello Kitty nail. This Hello Kitty thing, like the French Hello Kitty thing, we need to bring it all the way back. Bring it all the way back to the forefront. Like, seriously, I just think it's the cutest thing ever. Especially cuter when you have a 3D bow. Like, give it a 3D bow. Without the 3D bow, you just need to have the 3D bow. Just whatever you do. And this is totally, again, inspired by those quote-unquote tacky designs that people see on duck nails. The reason why people hate duck nails, allegedly, is because all the designs they see on them. Look, you need to grow up and you need to get a grip, because these designs paved the way, and clearly they are amazing because they're coming back. Things wouldn't be coming back if they weren't good, if they weren't something the girls wanted to do. I'm so tired of people diminishing and demeaning and degrading these designs that built the steps to where we are today. Like, please, for the love of God, grow up. Oh gosh, I could talk about this for hours and hours and hours. You guys are lame and you're boring. Anyway, girl, I could not film some of this. Like, I skipped the nose. I skipped filming the nose. And then I only filmed one side of the whiskers. Girl. And then I was supposed to do it on my right thumb. Did I do it? Clearly I didn't. I gave up. I was like, you know what? You're gonna get this 3D Hello Kitty slapped on here, because we are not doing that. Anyway, as I was saying, yeah, this is inspired by those designs from the 2000s. I'm gonna pull up some reference photos because I was specifically inspired by like 2 things. But oh my gosh, oh, there's the clacks. But yes, like Zebra paved the way for me as like a nail artist, because when I was little, I would always give myself manicures with nail polish, of course, not like gel or anything. Gel was barely a thing, but, well, it was a thing, but like, anyway, but like, I would always do zebra print, always. I would do like zebra print and then put some glitter on top. Like, I would do white zebra and then throw some like glitter on top, glitter polish. And anybody that wanted a manicure from me, like, I would give them zebra. I would always give them zebra. And I remember, like, at my after school program, like, I did my teacher's nails. Like, I was that girl. I've been that girl, okay? I've been doing nails. I've been done this. I've been did it. And I'm doing it again. Like, y'all think I ain't been doing this? Yeah, it might have been only 2 years since I'm doing it now, but this is in my blood. Like, I was born to do this, okay? Anyway, painting some zebra print on her bows. because I'm like, this is like the theme. The theme is zebra. You cannot go to the club without the zebra print. Like, don't hate outside the club, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Just don't, this is dress code. The dress code is zebra, so wear your zebra print. But why some of my zebra print on 2 of them is coming off? It's because it's like a shiny surface. Y'all know how that goes. Gel on a shiny surface does not stick. Learning my lesson. Buff whatever you're doing before you do it, okay? And the flashy's back. I haven't brought the flashy back in a while because I just never put new batteries in it. You know, ADHD does that to you, you know? Just never doing things. Until you need to do it. Until it's like, okay, do it. That's why everything in my life is the way it is. Anyway, I'm talking to the lady about that, okay? Don't even. Anyway. You know what? YouTube is fun. YouTube is fun. I like YouTube. Awkward. I don't know what to say anymore. Anyway, what else can I talk about? What's on my list? Like, I wrote like a little list of stuff that I needed to talk about, but there's really nothing I need to talk about. Bling. Oh yeah, so this bling is actually not Swarovski. I think this is, okay, it's either Preciosa. No, I think it is Preciosa, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, Preciosa makes really good crystals. They sell them at Hobby Lobby because, you know, Swarovski want to act like they all that and take them out the stores. Like, girl, F you. Like, yeah. Yeah, but they look really good. Like, they have the cuts in them. They're still giving very much bling, you know? They're still shiny. But yeah, I really like them. They're good. I feel like nobody, if you're not like a bling connoisseur, the bling bartender, the bling the bling barbarian, girl, I don't know. If you don't know what Swarovski looks like compared to plastic, you probably wouldn't know the difference. But, you know, it is what it is. I feel like I'm done with fake bling unless, well, no. Like, sometimes it's okay, actually. I ain't even gonna lie. Let me not say that, because sometimes it is okay. Sometimes it's okay because, like, when you top coat it, it looks smooth, and I think that looks really cute. So let me not say that. I take back my statement. Dude, the video's over? Oh my god. No way. Not me being surprised that I talked consistently for almost 15 minutes and, like, felt like it was, like, 5 minutes. Because that's not surprising to me at all. I wanted to talk about one more thing. I'm really excited because I'm seeing Deftones next month, and the nails that I'm gonna do are inspired by you seen the Butcher music video. So just be on the lookout for that. Like, I'm gonna have my YN moment where Chino sees my nails in the crowd, and it's gonna be great. Okay, it's gonna be amazing, and yeah, just it's gonna be great. But yeah. I have my next video planned already. I haven't edited it, but it's coming, and I'm going to be talking about some serious nail topics like my pet peeves, my favorite nail styles, and like talking about where I get some of my supplies and stuff, like my favorite places to shop. So that's coming not next week, but the week after next, because I'm going to try to post every other week now. So subscribe and hit that bell, even though I'm supposed to say that at the end. But this kind of is the end. Okay, we're done. Yay, look at these nails. So Y2K. So nostalgic. So cute. So everything. Duck nails are everything. They always will be everything. Put some respect on their name. Period. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I post in 2 weeks. Bye bye.